Nothing crazy. Just a little bit of AI on the chart. Over this here in a minute. I don't even need to see those bars, just this. I have AI reading out the volumetric chart to us to let us know when the buyers, sellers are involved, whether that's going to be a good long or a not so good long, right? It's going to grade the trade for us. I said. Um, this is a 5-minute, 15-minute, and a 2-minute time frame. We're trading on a 2-minute Heikin-Ashi candle. When they're wanting to match up, we're looking for price to be the same, right? Or, the uptrend. Here, we can just compare these right here. Absolutely. But anyways, so yeah, this is what we're trading off of. We want the trend to be in the up direction if we're wanting to long. So we got a green background. It's going to give us our delta in the candles of what we're buying. It's going to tell us whether we have aggressive buyers, just regular buyers. The market is in an uptrend right now. It will tell us when the chop comes in, when to stay out. It's going to grade your trade from A, B, C, and what you're going to do. And then it's going to give you a plan whether you're looking for bullish trades or bearish trades or do not trade. Right now, do not chase. Wait. So you should have been in down here if you're going to trade, right? It's also going to, when you're in a trade, it's going to give you a position of your stop. Now on the 5-minute and the 15, it's going to be a micro or macro, and then on the 2-minute and 1-minute, it's going to be a micro. So these two stops are going to be different. This is the actual swing of the macro event. This is the swing of the micro event. So they're all going to be different. These are going to be closer together. These will be a little bit further apart. That's a 15-minute swing, a 5-minute swing, a 2-minute swing, and a 1-minute swing. So kind of cool, right? Yeah. I put this together. Well, you guys know I had the other one that we could read and then just copy the chart, paste it. I felt like that was a little bit pain in the butt. So good morning, Miguel. Good morning. You'll have access to this here shortly. But you can throw it on, like you could throw the AI on almost any indicator that we have, and it's going to read that to you. Whether you're trading the fair value concepts or you're trading the money train, the RSI, whatever you're trading, you'll be able to throw it back into there and see what it says while you're trading. I need to log into my accounts. I only got like 4 or 5 accounts logged in here. Excuse me, guys. Nonetheless, good morning, good morning, good morning. Tradeify's got a discounted price right now for their accounts. I bought 5 more yesterday to add to my craziness of accounts. So I'll be trading those live this morning as well. Just another rotation. So right now I have it sitting on the Heikin-Ashi candle here, right? The chart that you guys will have here soon. If we move it, I have it sitting here on the regular 2-minute trend with a trend, the 2-minute chart with trend bars. I have not loaded it on here, but I'm going to load it real quick because I want to see what, this is our original chart, which buys, and we get into that A move or the break of structure. We also trade that C phase for an extended price. Let's just tap it and throw it on here for giggles. It's not going to hurt me. It doesn't lag the chart down, so we just watched it go through the news. It was great. I'm going to do this and then show. You could turn on the show background bias if you want. That's going to put on the bullish and bearish momentum trades, right? So here, hey, we got to sell. We're red. Yeah, let's take it. Here we got a green buy. Maybe I don't want to take it. It's kind of neutral. And then we get over here into the green. Yeah, I want to be in the long, right? Same thing over here on this buy. We got the buy down here. This was a trend trade at 156 this morning. And man, I'll tell you what, the aggressive buyers came in. The word trend popped up. AI took a picture for me and sent it to me. So it was beautiful, right? Now, you're not always going to win. No, there's no such thing as always winning. So I have this on the right side right now. You can change this. I want to put this over here on the left side. You can actually put where it's reading it, you can put it wherever you want to. If you click on it and you go right here where it says top right, you can put it in the left, the center. You can put it right in the middle if you wanted to, right? The center of the chart. Now it's right here. I don't want it there, but I'm just showing you there. Some people trade like this, right? So now they're looking at this and they got it there. But whatever you want to do, I'm just going to pop it up in the top right corner. Oops. Top left corner, sorry. I mean, you can put it down here by the clock. You can put it wherever you want to. So now this is over here. My drawing tools are blocking it, it seems like. That's not going to work, Dan. That's not going to work. Wonder why I can't. Maybe it's because it's on it. What about bottom left? Bottom right. That'll be okay. Let's see. Can I move this now? We'll leave it on there. That's not hurting anything right there. So 1,581 buyers estimated. Momentum strong but extended up. It's a B trade. Do not chase weight. That's below your swing low. We're looking for pullbacks. It's kind of cool. Anyway, good morning, guys. We're probably just going to keep creeping up. The news numbers came out good for the market, guys. Morning, Eric.
Morning.
Did you see my new tool I sent you?
Yeah, I'm looking into it here.
Yeah, I added order flow into that, so don't load it yet. I gotta send you a new upgraded one.
All right, sounds good.
So order flow now up here will give you a grade of trade, and it will give you your delta, and it will tell you who's in control.
Oh, nice.
See how here we got aggressive buyers?
Yep.
Strong uptrend. Buyers estimated there's more buyers coming in. They're buying the high. Crazy, man. But it also tells you your plan. It grades your plan from A to B. I mean, A to C. And basically, don't chase the trade. You're going to wait for a pullback before it gets you, hey, you're bullish again. Right now, you're trading with the continuation. Good morning, guys. Hope everybody's doing right. It is Wednesday, the 12th. This month's already flying by like crazy. It is flying by too fast, guys. Not enough time in the day, it seems like.
Hi, Dan.
Hey, good morning, Dan.
You okay?
Yeah, I'm doing good. How are you?
Yeah, good. Just got back in. So you know your two accounts. What's your take profit and your stop loss on them?
On the two contracts?
Yeah, yeah.
I believe it's 80 and 160.
80 and 160. Okay, thank you.
Yeah, what that does is when I take the trade, it moves it out away from the entry, and then I can move them where I want to.
Yeah.
If I'm only looking to sweep the high or the low, I'll put one target there and then get the runner, put stop and profit, or whatever the case may be.
80 and 60. 80 and 160. Okay, I'll change one to that.
You got it?
Yeah, 80 and 60. Thanks, Dan.
Man, look at this, guys. Really extremely bullish. I have a target up here of this great box. I hope we just don't go straight to it. It's going to put us up in that area for all-time new highs. We are extremely bullish. We do need some kind of pullback, chat, for us to be able to get in this trade. Apex is still selling 90% off too if their accounts, if you want to get some more of those. Yeah. 90% off is a big deal, man. It makes them very cheap.
That would be great if they're consistent with their payouts, though.
Yeah, I think they're getting better, man. I really, really do. We're about to find out. Okay, we're about to find out. I really don't like this expansion we're getting right now. I really want to be in this long, guys. We were in it down there during class this morning, and now I'm up 238 on some accounts, so not too bad. But I got out way too soon. I just kind of got in and got my money and got out. But we could have been in this a lot longer. Kicking ourselves in the butt now, huh, Miss Sam?
Yeah.
Dan, sorry, one last question. How do I set up my Replicano again? My copy service. What do I do?
Click on the go to your where it says new on your Ninja Trader control panel.
Hold on 1 second. Let me move this up.
Do you have one open already or no?
I've got a chart open, yeah.
No, do you got the Replicano open?
No.
Yep. So click on new, go down to where it says Flowbots.
Would that be like in the where the rest of them are? Hold on, let's have a look. Replicano. Yeah, I've got a Replicano open. Oh yeah, I've got it open. Yeah.
Okay, then on one of the accounts, hit the drop down button. What does it say up at the leader account? What's it say?
I've got Sim Master account.
Okay, click on that, and
But it's not showing any of the accounts on
no,
the
does it show any of your accounts inside the drop down below it?
No.
It doesn't, huh?
No. Don't know why.
So it doesn't show any accounts like this right here?
It only shows Sim accounts in there. It doesn't show any of my accounts that I've got in there.
Are you logged in? So over here where it says leader account, you only see two accounts here?
No. There I can see all of the accounts.
All right, click on one of the accounts and it will load it in here.
Yeah. Okay, I've got it.
And then go back and put your master account. See how I have SimTrade here, and then I copy.
Got you.
Right, I copy all these accounts that I'm going to start trading, and then I rotate through them.
Yeah.
Yeah, so you can do it that way, okay?
Okay, thanks, Dan.
And then once I hit targeting these accounts and I rotate them, like I'm trading these 5 first right now this morning, then I'll jump into these 4, and then once I hit targets in these, I'll rotate into Apex, and I'll rotate into funded futures, and I'll log into those. I just don't want to run all of them at one time because I don't want any conflicting. These are both Tradeifys, right? I don't want to get any. I'm only trading one prop firm at a time. So this morning,
Okay.
but I don't want any conflicting information. So
Yeah, sure. Thank you.
it looks juicy, guys. Just keep peeling up out of here. Hopefully we get that news came out. It's good. Hopefully we get this some kind of pullback here for we get that extended price and be back in the green today. Buying up here is buying in the trap zone, and I don't want to do that. So we need some kind of pullback. Market's going to open up here in 2 minutes, guys. We are extremely bullish. Shorting this rip up is going to be kind of scary, but we do got some sellers showing back up into this market. 5 minutes still holding 130 buyers. It's true. Still strong, extended price up. It's a little bit of mixture coming in on the smaller time frame with some sellers here. I do not want to punch up to 30,060. If it does, it's going to kind of throw us for a loop this morning. But we are extremely bullish. 18.5% came building permits at CAD. And then everything else came in as expected today for core CPI. So really, there's no reason why we shouldn't sell, just keep pumping up. But there's got to be some kind of pullback, they got to come down and find some more buyers. But they got the buyers right here, guys. They got the buyers right here already. So in reality, they already picked up the buyers right here. So in reality, they don't have to come back down here. I would like to see them come down here before we get into those longs. But the macro event is up here, and we may just shoot right up to the macro event. Big gap up this morning, guys. On the 4-hour time frame, look at this, right? Trading during London would have been the time to come in down here during London and run this thing up. It would have been beautiful. But we broke right through here. This is your boss bar right here. So if you play your cards right and we don't take out this 4-hour bar, we should be just straight bullish. I expect them to punch this up at the open, yes. Or do another doodah with the wick like they did for the news, right? Push down, find some buyers, and then get back up. Right now, this is your ABC swing. Good luck, guys. Let's see if we can keep it clean this morning. I may be holding trades just a little bit longer because there's a lot of contracts in the market today. Market is open, guys. This is the news data candle. I'm expecting them to come down into this candle. Push it down. We got aggressive buyers buying. Here we go. Let's see if we can get this, guys. Starting to look a little heavy. I don't really want to short this, though. This is a nice short, right? We've got a sell over here came in. Guys, I'm going to get in this long here first.
Order submitted.
I move my stop down out of the way. Are we coming through it? Move my stop out of the way. If they take out this whole data wick, that's going to be crazy. We're in a C phase here. We should get some kind of bounce back up. Are they just going to take it straight back? They are. Maybe a little profit taking going on here. Let's see. Amazon selling off some. Starting to look like they really want to tank this to the downside. Momentum's fading a little bit here, mixed, right? Come on. Man, Apple's starting to roll over now, too. Not looking good here, guys. All right, let's see if they get a bounce here. If it wants to go short, right, ideally we get some kind of pump back up. If not, and it just takes out this data wick, that's going to be crazy. This is where the buyers came in. We're looking for buyers to start picking us up a little bit higher, but maybe they're not going to come in. We're starting to lose them. We're going into the sellers now. Yeah, look at this. They're going to run this data wick, guys. POC just shifted up. I don't like this. We're going to go back to POC, 29,979. Maybe we push back up into the 80 level here. Come on, give me some aggressive buyers here. Delta's was like 2,700 long, so are we just going to retest this bottom and sell off again? We start to come back down, I'll exit the trade. I'm looking for a pump up into this, at least C phase. Uh-oh, everybody just went short, getting taken out. Back to our entry, we can scratch the trade here. Are you a bull or bear? I should have DCA'd, yeah. It is what it is. I'm not going to be mad. Come on, you rat bag. Let's do it, buddy. Are we going to fail here, guys? Right? Or are we going to all-time new highs? We're starting to fail, right? I don't like this. Market just shifted up on us. We're trading below it. That's a C phase right here. We entered the C phase for the long, and this is a C phase for the short. It's starting to look like a C phase for the low here, guys. Looking like we may come down. This rejection I'm not liking. We probably sweep this low right here. Not liking this at all, man. The way this is starting to peel out. Yeah, guys, I don't like this now. There's a sweep at the low. Let's see if they can hold this. $620 buyers coming in the market. We do got a big gap up, though. Now we got a new 5-minute bar. Doesn't look healthy. All right, guys. Well, there's no C phase follow through here on the long so far. I think they're taking some profits up here, and that's causing price to drop. We're still in the C right now, but got this rejection for an ABC swing. And this ABC swing for the rejection, if they do it in one lump sum, it's going to be this, right? We're back down into this box. If we start doing that, it's going to be too far down, I think. So, ideally, we have this move here. That's the swing high. This will be the next swing if they want to stay on the bull side. I can't believe that they did this whole rip up and they're just going to sell it all back, but it's possible. If we can get this higher low here above this data wick, which is CPI low, without sweeping it, it's insane, man. Our delta is increasing 3,000 contracts. Come on, what are we doing here? 2,000 buyers coming in this market with the equal sell side coming in on it as well. I want to DCA this now. 2 contracts going 4. I'm going to do it, guys. I'm in.
Order submitted.
Let's see if they'll hold this and not take out the data wick. Guys, if this drops, we can come right back into the data wick, but I think we're just going to find more buyers. You could exit the trade, get back down, or you could DCA in and pick it up. I'm going to hold this trade a little bit longer here. I want to see what it does. This is like a big mixture of buying going on right here and selling, and I don't know why we're getting so mixed other than maybe some guys took profits. They're holding this tight. But I don't know. Like I said, a C phase would give me... I'm looking at both sides, right? So the C phase would be here, but I mean, that still can come down to here before it gets up to here. Sometimes when you're averaging this, trying to get the play, it doesn't work. Sometimes it works every time. Some days you have a flat day. Sometimes you have a small red day. Some days you have small green days. Some days you have big green days. We're trying not to have those big red days anymore, right? Yeah, this is... They're hitting us again. I need to get above at 890 and get bid here. It's trying. It's trying for those of you that know what we're looking at. It's trying right here. We're trying to get bid. I DCA'd him with these buyers. There's a bid. Can we do it without coming down hard? Don't do it, man. If we get below these guys over here, this could be ugly. These guys right here. Give me a small pump. Hit the 2. Lock me in a little lower. Yep, seller's here. We could push down into the 71%. I don't even want to entertain it, but we can. That's just trading, guys. It's the way it goes. This can come right into this box as well. I'll just draw it up. And ES sold off. We're down in the bottom there. We're not even getting a 100-point bounce, 50-point bounce. It's just, that's insane. Insane, guys. We need this wick to push back up. We need this candle to push back up, guys. We want to hold that wick right there. We want to sweep these wicks if it's going to go short. So we should get that 2, and then I should be able to get adjusted down. Come on! Let's invert this and go. Don't drop the ball. Don't drop it. Come on. Give me a C phase. Even if you want to go to the short side, give me a C phase. Get me in this trade. A little better entry. It's going to shift me here. 25 seconds to pop it up. Boom, boom, boom. There it is. Got it.
Order filled.
All right, guys. Now the proof is in the pudding. Can we put it together? Now the question is how far is this inversion going to go? We're back up into POC. We may not go anywhere, guys. I'm out of one more contract. Right? I always put my stop in profit. Probably a little too soon. Okay, we got these buyers up here. 1,300 buyers coming in. Let's just see now. We're 25.42, 29.90. We're getting more volume. Can we pump it? 444 on the long side. ES is really dragging us down. The question is do I put my stop knowing that we're below the market shift? Are we in a C phase to go long? Do we get the pump? Last time I keep putting them in a little early and I keep taking out and I missed a big move. So are we going to get above this and get bid and keep going? It's starting to look that way. Let's go, baby. Give me just a straight pop up. Oh, yeah. Let's go. There they are. We got them. Woohoo! Look at that inversion long, baby. AI told us straight up. All right, now we're getting some retail buyers are starting to join this. Are they going to trap them? This is the C phase for a short if it wants to go. Or it can keep pumping. I like to revisit this high. $20 seconds. Can we close solid, please, baby? Can we close solid? We may get another candle back down to our entry before the next push. A lot of buyers in this market now. All right, I'm going to take it off, guys. I'm out.
Order filled.
I'm out. I am out. So what am I expect now? Well, you're in a CC phase. You got buyers in the market, 4,100 on the delta. You have a high, you have a low, you have an inside swing, right? Ideally, we can come down or we could come down again and hold and then push up. Ideally, we could do this right here, but ideally, we are set up on the bull side right now. The bulls are in control. The longs are in control. So however you trade, but aggressive buyers are aggressively buying this. I traded one of these. I got something. What is this? Guys, don't take this trade. I need to see what this is. I got rejected.
Order filled.
Oh, and now it takes it. Oh, that's my funded there. Never mind. I went down to the wrong account. I'm going to get out of this. It did not take it. I don't know why it would not take it. It was, oh no, these went in. This one did not go in. Hold on a second here. Let me just get out of this.
Target filled.
Oh, wow. That's a really mess around and find out, Dan. Well, that I didn't realize I was on 2 contracts. I didn't expect it to take the trade because it rejected it, but it didn't reject it on this account for some reason. This may be a C4 short, guys, or we hold this block right here.
Order filled.
This is a 100K account, so I can trade a lot bigger, size-wise, with a $2,000 daily drawdown. Just looking to get out of this. This isn't something I want to be in right now. It may just shoot back up, though. We're picking up red and red on the bigger time frames. This 1 hour candle looks pretty shitty. Come on, give me a little punch up here. Wick above this. Get me out of that trade. All right, there we go. We're back in profit.
Target filled.
All right, I'm out of that trade. It was not supposed to trade that account. It was these down here. This Tradeify account right here didn't take a trade. What does this say? Real-time market data required trade. Oh, I gotta sign up. I did sign this subscription. I'm not sure what that's about. Let me log out and I'll just have to trade those tomorrow. I'm out of that. Yep. Now we'll log into these other ones. Log in. Hurry up. Nice little rejection coming down for the data wick, guys. Looking like we're getting this short. Looks like they're going to chase it down. Yeah, POC's up here. POC is 29,920, guys. Dan, I liked how comfortable you were in that trade. That's because we were right in the middle of it. Right? We entered here for the long. Actually, I entered here on this push down on this candle, and we went down. I don't know. I was negative $200 probably. Not too bad on a trade, but I was looking for the C phase to pop, and it did, but it took a little time. So now if this wants to hold an ABC swing, this is what we have. Which takes out the data low or comes down into the data low. And then you might see buyers pick it up there, or they're just going to continue to crush it and sell it more. Little choppy market this morning, starting to show up anyway.
Stock just shifted back down.
That's always a good sign. $99.07.
Yeah.
Guys, locked in about 120, 130 bucks in some of these accounts. I'm just going to rotate real quick, give those accounts a break, log into the next set. Let's see if we can get this bounce out of here. We're still in a micro swing to take out the high or a micro swing to take out the low. This is the CC phase until they like to wash you out of here, so insane. If you took the sell signal, you're in profits. If you took that short on the sell side. What is this one over here? This one gave you a short up here. Right now we're mixed. Lots of buyers here. Market shift shifted down, holding that C phase for the long. Now, we got buyers in here, 155, 140, 150. I really like this long here, guys. We got this counter trend line. It probably stops here if they want to stop it. Good morning, good morning. We are in a chop and a bullish pullback and an uptrend, but it's starting to get a little bit of chop. We're starting to pick up some chop on this chart. Right here, we're in a range between this high and this low, right? We're picking up some chop. And this, we're in a pullback for a long. And this chart, we're in a pullback for a long. That could change though, so we need to just be careful. The next rundown is this week, guys. If this breaks these lows, it can go. I'm gonna hang out for a little bit and wait. I got 3 little fibs here. It says that this will probably get smacked. If there was only one, it'd probably be not so. But there's 3 here. So if we break this market shift in the support line right here, we're going to come down in these 3 boxes. A lot of contracts on M and Q, a lot more than NQ, which is really, I mean, a lot more people are trading this M and Q now. Yeah, I didn't mark it, but we can mark it on this chart if we would like to. A little squeeze here. I think they're coming for the data wick. This is the way it's starting to look. All right, so now we're going into a break of structure. Do we get a bounce here? Probably going to pick up a long here, guys. We're red, though. They're trying to flip this over. Fires. So far, we got aggressive sellers on the 5-minute time frame. We got buyers buying back on the 2-minute time frame. We need the aggressive sellers to come in on the buy side. The last aggressive seller on the 5-minute bar had 418. The buyers that are buying back right now have bought back 260 contracts at that 418. There's another double buy, double long. All right, we just broke out above that 418. Let's see if this is a sucker move or the real move. All right, guys, looks like we're about to launch up. I'm looking for them to at least get back up into this high. Yeah, that's a nice candle there, guys. Aggressive buyers coming back in again. Guys, I'm starting to want to jump back in this long again. We got 340 buyers in the next 5-minute bar with 525 closing out in the previous bar. Still think we got some up more. I'm going to take this, guys. I'm in. Still got some more up move
Order
coming
submitted.
possibly, unless they just rip us off here. I'll move my stop down out of the way here. We're going to hit this trend line liquidity and stop. 877 buyers. Are we putting in a bottom wick on the 5 or top wick on the 5? What are you doing, right back? And they're selling them right back. We're at 740, pushing down 690, pushing down. We're really gonna take this bar out. All right, guys. Well, we're not getting it. I'm not gonna DCA this. Well, maybe I will. Let's see what it does here. Back in the C phase once again. Still holding 550 buyers in this candle. This is another C phase here. If it wants to plug out, that's the low. Inside high, inside swing again. We're in a range bound. We're in the bottom. Are we going to break the range and continue down? I don't know. If we break the low, I'll definitely jump in it because that's going to break the low of the CPI. That's going to be a big run. I don't anticipate that. That's where the buyers came in. They should start buying this higher, which they started to again in these 4 bars, and now we're playing that stupid game again. Are they going to just drop it and get everybody in on the sell side and then rip it back up? It's very well possible. We're getting rejected out of this 915. Now I got rejected 940. Now we're 915. Starting to look like it's going to go into a short, guys. Come on, shoot it back up. Everybody's trying to short this here. All the tech stocks are starting to come down some now. Oh, gosh, man. What a choppy mess. Why did they got to run everything pre-market this morning? That's what they did. They gave that big pump up pre-market. Now they're bull flagging and bear flagging for the 50-50 zone. We may not get it till this afternoon, guys. It may not move till this afternoon. Choppy chop, man. Even this says it. Range chop. We're in the chop range. I don't know if this C's going to hold, guys. I don't know if we're going to hold. Meta's selling off some. Yeah, we're picking up aggressive sellers here. Let's see if they hold them. Man, what the hell is going on here, dude? I'm a little late on the DCA.
Order
I'm putting it
submitted.
in. I DCA to see if these buyers will increase to take out this wick right here. Come on. Pop it. These buyers are here and we're not going anywhere. This now could wick out the bottom wick. So we just took out this one. Now we can take out these. This is kind of a double bottom here in the 5-minute time frame. Pop it. Come on, baby. Let me send that positive energy to you. Let's go, baby. Can you give it to me? Give me the easy squeezy inversion and pop it. Pop it. It's this one it needs to get hit, right? Yeah. Still holding it. Come on, man. Wow. So we get it, and then we get rejected again. Wow, man. We are chopped, guys. Chop, chop. That is the sell bar coming down into this. We could free fall now if we wanted to, right? I don't think this is going to hold. I think it's going to wick these bottoms out. Let's see if we get one more rejection back up. I got my finger on the close button here, guys. This is just retarded. I'm out.
Order filled.
That is some bullshit right here, guys. BS if I've ever seen it. We got up high enough, but we could not get bid to finish it. Now watch it do it. Now that I exit the trade. $149 sellers closed in that bar. That is just idiotic. Like, I've seen them where they take the 149 and rip us off. We're gonna get it, guys. Be patient here. Oh, now they're gonna do it. Yeah, the 149 wasn't enough. I'm back in on the long, guys.
Order submitted.
Are they gonna rip me off here? Where is this data wick? Whoa, it's way down here. All right. We shifted, so I need that 940 to get hit for a C phase. Come on, give me the inversion here, guys. It really looks like we're going to get it. Come on, give it to me. They're fighting for this.
Order filled.
There's one. God, we just got to catch a bid right here. No aggressive buyers yet. Yeah, so in this inside swing, if it plays out right, if we play our cards right and it does what we wanted to do, we come right back up into this high again. But this is choppy, guys. And I figured they would just open this up after the news today, and they're not. They opened it up right after the news. They had this move up into this high before 7:30 this morning. And they have a possibility of taking out this low before they do it. But, I mean, that's where the buyers came in pre-market. So we retest that area, find more buyers to go long. I mean, possibility, but the idea that they hit that, they take out a lot of trades that they're in. So they buy slightly higher, right? So give me to the move trade, man. I want them to the moon trade. Man, that's $1,100 on NASDAQ, $1,200 on NASDAQ. Come on. Question is, we're back into this lower high. Do we take this profit? Do we stay in one? Do we try to get this box up here? How confident am I in the box? We're choppy. Every time we get to move up, they take them right back down. I need a bid still. We're getting one. Got a minute and 50 seconds on a 5-minute bar. All right, well, we're pulling back down again. Guys, you're gonna take off 2 here.
Order filled.
Secure $100. Just insane, man. The market doesn't want to cooperate, man. All right, well, we're coming back to our entry again, back to pot. I think we got a good chance to swipe this low down here if this doesn't hold. I'm going to bring my stop up at break even here, guys. It's got to get bid here and go long. If not, this comes short, guys. This held another inside C off of this high low. That's what they need to break this bottom. We got 3 fibs to the bottom, 3 fibs to the top. This is chop. This puts us down in here.
Order filled.
Takes us out. Be careful if you're in that long, guys. This isn't crazy, man. We got rejected at 940 here. Went through it. Retested it here. Broke through it. Came back. Retested it here. Retested it here. Now retested it here. Yep. Here's the sells, guys. Here's the shorts. Yeah, look at this. I told you this was lining up. This is what it was doing. Good grief. All right, now they swept the low. What are they going to do? And then to push right back up. This is what I was saying. They're getting everybody out of these trades. This is crazy, man. I hope that saved you if you were in a long. I told you they're going to come down and sweep these lows. Ideally, we get a little lower, but boy, I tell you what, I told you this whole area is all buyers. It's all full of buyers. And they keep trying to take them out, and they don't have it. They don't have what it takes to take them out. They keep getting into it, but they're not going anywhere. Insane. Both sides of the aisle are making money today. Bulls and the Bears are both doing it. This is insane, man. Insane. Choppy, choppy mess. Jesus, man. Right back up. I know, we need some music. That's what we need. Let me put on some music. Fighting to stay alive here. That's what we got now. The squeeze is real. You got a short here playing out. Just the question is, how far is it going to go down, man? I think I'm going to take this long. We're in the bottom of the range. Normally, if you're like ranging, you don't want to short this, right? You want to buy the range, run it back up into the top of the range. Just back up to like 940. Back up in here, 938. Maybe they trapped the buyers or they just run it. It would have been in profit if we took the long there. I'm just using my mindset and education that I... We've just been down here so much. That would have worked out, guys. There's a buy signal coming in. What do we have on order flow here? Yeah, they're still buying. Completely mixed here. "38 minutes after the 4-hour bar closed, look. A 60-minute time frame here. We came out of this buy zone. We rejected out of it. This is why I like the long so much. Right? A 4-hour came down, held 50, 60%, tagged into here. Ideally, we get another up move. We keep smacking this top here. All right, well, here we go again. Wow. What a choppy mess, guys. Trying to stay above this zone. Now you're in the top of the range. We're going to sell off again. I like the longs, guys. We rejected off the bottom here again on the C face for a long. Right back up into this box.
Order submitted.
I'm going to take this long with these buyers and see if they can do it, guys.
Order submitted.
Still trying to go.
Order filled.
We just cannot get a break to go, can we? And they're trying to bring it back down again. Guys, I tell you what, man. This is just garbage. Serious chop. This is worse than yesterday. We're going to hold this, or we're going to break through it. Sellers showing back up again, guys. Starting to look like it's going to be on the short side after this pullback up. You got sellers showing up now on order flow. 198 sellers in this bar. We're down in the bottom of the squeeze. Where both sides are being squeezed really bad. The buyers and the sellers are both being squeezed. And of course, if it breaks, you don't want to short down here to go short. And if it breaks, you don't want to long up here because then you're taking out half of your trade. Half of the momentum is gone. I may just kill this trade, guys. It's been ranging all morning. Yeah, I don't like this, man. I'm out.
Order filled.
I don't like it, guys. If anything, you got a short coming in here.
Order submitted.
See if this bazooka can just take off to the downside.
Order filled. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order canceled.
Are they going to flush this bottom, guys? This is as ugly as it gets, man. The market shift down, and we're going to go lower. We're going to chase this wick down here at the bottom. We're down in the support zone. We'd like to see him take out the CPI low and then really start to really pump it back up. If they can do it, that would be great. Short side selling off some here. Can get rejected out of this bottom though. Or they break and push it. They gonna flush it? $20 seconds to push it down.
Order filled.
20 seconds to push it down. 10 seconds. Woo! Starting to show some shorts here. Of course, you want to buy that side, right? You don't want to short the bottom. This is what I was talking about. We're fighting to stay alive this morning, yes.
Order filled. Order filled.
Come on, baby. What are you going to do? I want to get back in the green, guys. I got some accounts that are rotated or in green. I got some that are red, $77 to $100. Yeah, I'm thinking it's going to. It's pretty bad. I think it's going to take out the data wick too. That's down here. But then all of a sudden, you know, you get in the trade and then all of a sudden it's back up here. You're like, okay, do you want to stay in that much drawdown? It's trying to go down. So get ready to open up on another 1 hour bar here. Are we going to get a wick to the upside, wick to the downside? This is insane, guys. We're going to break.
Order submitted. Or target filled. Order submitted.
Really choppy, guys. And
Order filled.
am I stuck here? Are we moving?
Yeah, we're moving.
What is going on here?
29874.
There we go. I lost my market data for a minute. That was weird.
Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled. Order filled.
We have a higher low setting up right now. Good grief.
Target filled. Target filled. Target filled. Order filled.
Somebody's trading. You scalping out the market? Oh! All right, guys, let's see. We're getting some rollover here. Inside swing, though. If this low holds, right? We got that move back up. But this closed lower, so we should see a move to the downside a little bit more. Double bottom here. This was a Trump tweet, it looks like, about the Iran war. Another suck right back up. There's the long. Is it going to take place? Right back up. No follow through on the short. Buy the dip, sell the rip. What is the rip, though? We ain't got nothing here, guys. You got a long setting up. I think we get back up. We sweep this liquidity. I think we come back up into this wick. We don't have to. I mean, we took it out already, right? So maybe they want to take out the low. But in an ABC swing on a macro event, if they want to go short, this is what they do, right? Got to push back up to find sellers. or the buyers take out the sellers and we push price higher. So far, we haven't had aggressive buyers yet. I'm looking for some aggressive buyers. Just insane. The accounts I was green in yesterday, I'm slightly red in, and the ones I was red in yesterday, I'm green in today. So, it's like it's a love-hate relationship right now. So I just turned those off. Let's see if I can bring the $77 accounts back up. I'm just patiently waiting for something to give here. I'm trying to have patience here. Or range chop until we're not no more. And a range chop, you're buying the bottom, selling the top. Until it doesn't work anymore. Yeah. We got a market shift down. Prices above it. Are we going to stay above this? Oh, man. I want to get to this bubble. So far, it looks like it's an inside swing to break lower. But every time it's done that, they run it right back up. So, do we trade the opposite side of that break lower and go long? Just a massive craziness here. Look at that, right back down again. No momentum, no breakout, no follow through. Welcome to the party. This has got a possibility to go further short. Down here. Whole bunch of imbalances in here. Is this a true lower high, or are we going to make another one? That's a high low. We pull back. Is that a lower high to go further short to get to here? You got to make up your mind. Are you a bear or bull? Is it going to happen? Yes, this is as ugly as it gets, guys. Just stalls here. Red VWAP here. I think we got to play the short side here. I just have no idea here, man. The way this market's been playing all morning, it's been ugly. Just getting some kind of short here.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Are we going to get a hard flush here? Are we going to hold this support zone and screw everything up here?
Order filled.
That's the question that we're up against right now.
Order filled.
They're going to give us a sweep of the low here. Had 387 sellers in the last bar. Still holding on to 2,900 positive delta. Trying to sell some of this back. Wow. Right back up, guys.
Order filled.
We need a big squeeze here. Squeeze the longs and pop down. Insane. Guys, I think we got a good chance to sweep these, but boy, we keep bouncing here, don't we? I'm going to sell this bottom, guys. I'm in. Let's see if these sellers can rip this thing down. They could buy the bottom of this. I'm just saying. 387. Now we're pulling back again. Come on, you rat bag. I tell you what. It just got no follow through, no break, no nothing.
Order submitted.
I averaged in again. I'm in 8 contracts here. This is ridiculous.
Order submitted.
Are we just going to get a straight up pump now? This is freaking insane, man. Right back up. I'll give it a little bit of room here. If this doesn't work, I'm out. Come on, flush it down. You suck the buyers in. Come on. Push it hard. No. Come on. Flush it. Damn it, man. Why is it holding up so hard here? You got the sellers in, you took them out, then you got the buyers in, and now you're on the sell side. Let's freaking rip it, dude. Let's go. Come on, get down there. Hit my first 5. Can I get a follow through? Give me a follow through.
Order filled.
Come on, let's go. Break the lows out. Come on, swipe them. Hard push, guys. Hard push, hard push, hard push, hard push. Can we do it?
Order filled.
Let's go. All right. Oh, I got filled on one, but not some of the others. What's going on here, man?
Order filled.
What a ratbag trade, man. We swept the low. Can we continue down? It's going. Trend line liquidity going to come in here. We're going to get one more sweep. One more. Come on. All the way down to the data wick. If you took that trade, guys, congratulations. Finally getting a little bit of momentum. Is it going to be a clean shot or is it going to be right back up? We could see it off of this bottom right here. A little bit of trend line liquidity here. Did I just mess up and not take that full $100? $140. Is that a retest? Or are they going to dog us out here? We just took Trump's wick out. Be nice to flush down to here, guys.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submit. Order submitted.
Oh, they're recovering again. Wow, straight bid out of the bottom here. Back into our entry again.
Order submitted. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
All right, guys. I don't know what this is going to do. We're right back to our entry. I'm going to take this off for... Actually, no. I'm just going to bring the stop down. 29 bucks there. I'm going to lock it off. I'm sitting back in the green on the day. 140 bucks. 160 bucks. I'm just going to wait and see what this does. Oh, we're protected. It is what it is. Actually, I can add to this.
Order
Let's just...
canceled.
Take that off. We'll put a we'll take off half here.
Order filled.
So I just took another 20 bucks. We'll put a bracket order in.
Order submitted.
Move this one down. Stops at break even. Let's see what it does, guys. I wanted to chase down the data wick and it should have just hammered, but we came back up to find more sellers. Or are we now flipping the, we took out the data wick from Trump. This was the data wick that he just came out and was talking about the war and the straits being shut down and all that stuff. Needless to say, I'm back green in all accounts. Some accounts are real close to 200 bucks. Not so much. Rough day today. Very, very, very rough, tough day to trade today. The markets tried to humble me today, and they did. But we watched them. So what I'm watching, and we're seeing an inversion long here. But I mean, what is this? For a sweep, we didn't even get down to here. Google, Tesla, everything, all the tech stocks are going down. So we'll see if this picks up and joins it. ES is trying to make a higher low right now. I'm going to take this $50 target, move it down more. We're going to move stop down. We're going to lock it off here. That's another 30 points. Let's see what we can get out of this. All my green accounts that were green from this morning, I left them green. I started trading other accounts. I logged out and logged back in. Are we going to be in a C phase here? Can we take out the week at the bottom here? I don't know. We trying. We trying. This could be an inside swing to go back up for an inversion. We hit this target, guys. I'm done. We're going to target this white line way down here. Actually, let's make it an even $100. That'd put me at 200 plus. Come on, give me a flush. It sounds like I'm playing poker. Give me a flush. If you're in it to win it, congratulations, guys. But this has been a really tough market to trade. We picked it apart. Honestly, I don't think we could have played today any better given the circumstances of what we were dealt with, right? That's just my mindset and my vision of what I see. Every move down had to move up, and every move up had to move down. So almost any trade that you take would have went into profits if you would have just held it. It's dangerous trading that way because you never know when the breaks are going to come. But that is the truth right there, you know. All right, we're getting a double bottom here. It's not wanting to break. I think I'm going to lock this off and take profits. I'm out 456 in this account, which means I'm 130 bucks in one account, or 140 in one account and 200 in the other. Yep. Insane, guys. We navigated the market. We navigated it. We put it together. Not a big green day. Not a big red day. But it's green, right? Every account, even the cash accounts, are green today. So these, I don't know what happened to these three down here. They're not blown. They just, something to do with my I think it's, I got to go, oh, you know what? I've already passed them. I got to go sign contracts. That's what that is. I got that stupid message again, Miss Ann. You got a signed contract. Oh, gosh. All right. So that's three more that are going to be added over to the lives there. So, well, guys, it's 9:43. I'm going to keep my money. I'm walking away. I will post P&Ls here. Let me make this. Let me log into my other ones here, too. Hold on. All right, I'm logged into all of them. Let me move this down so we can get it. So yesterday I took a 317 loss in one account. Actually, two accounts. I don't. Why is the other one? Yeah, two accounts. 247 in one and 317 in the other. Right, and then today, I made 115 in that one account, so that's back up. And then I didn't make. I think the other one is like right here, 228. So I didn't make enough in that account yet, but. You know what? Considering the circumstances and what's going on, there'll be other days to trade. We'll keep our money. This thing is probably going to end up sweeping this wick eventually. You just got to trade with a really big stop loss, and I'm not that trader. I mean, I am when I want to be, but I don't want to be today because there's just too much uncertainty with after the CPI data wick. Everything came out on the bull side, and all we're doing is pulling back. So don't be surprised even if this comes down and sweeps this, if this goes right back up. But they took some profits up here this morning. That was our break of the CPI wick on our open. And we've been trying to push down ever since. The delta is so high that it's hard, right? You've 4,000 contracts, now you're 2,400. They've been able to manage to get half of them sold back. But again, this is dangerous, so I'll just wait till tomorrow. Market's going to balance, level out. We got a bunch of rejections at the highs here, rejections at the lows on the bigger time frame, and every time we push into this box, guys, right, this is the order block. This is where all the buyers have come in from CPI and from before the news, but, I mean, this is where all the buyers are, and we're pushing down into them. Is this going to hold as an A, B, C, and we're pulling back? And this is gone now down 2 times, right? So the question now remains, are the buyers actually going to hold price and go? If they do, it'd be tonight. So I traded a little bit last night. I got some money back. One of the accounts that was 117 negative was 300. So I made that difference between back of 117 and 300. So that's not too shabby, right? And the other one was like 247. So we're right. I'm right in the wheelhouse of being back up where I need to be and keep pushing. But I need to be smart about this and not gamble or think about the gambling side of this. I need to be trading our setups, our signals, and the way the market's moving. But you can't trade that way if the market's not going to give it to you. If every time that you go down, you go up, and every time you go up, you go down, right? That's a problem. So are we going to chase this wick down here? I don't know. I guess it's yours. But the whole concept is a lot of people make money today because what they do is they short, right? They'll short. They'll take some money. They'll buy. They'll go back into the range. They'll short. They'll go back into the range. They'll buy. They'll go back up. They'll short. But eventually they short or they go long and market goes against them, right? Or they buy, they buy here, comes back, they're looking for that breakout and they don't get it and they lose the trade. It ends up going against them. So I just assume stay out of that market. I mean, we did what we had to do. The idea when you're range bound, you sweep wicks and you go back to the upper next wick, right? So that's how we're green today. For those of you that don't know, if you throw on the sweep indicator, and I don't know if I got the chart open, let me look and see. If you throw up the sweeps are probably going to be very strong trading today because it's so range bound and tight. But, oh, that's the fib swing. Never mind. Hold on. I clicked on the wrong one. Give me 1 second. All right, I haven't looked at the chart, so there it is. Let's just pull it up. I haven't looked at the chart. As you guys see, I don't see no candles. But let's just see what this looks like. Right? So you had a sweep, a 3-bar sweep, and a short. 3-bar sweep with a long. That was a long. This was a short, but eventually it went back into profit. Now you're only trading this for 20, 30 ticks. It's not like you're staying in this for a bigger move. So this is for scalping. And here you got no sweeps. So the market is trying to break down. If we go back over here, that was a big sweep for a short. Crazy. Yeah, I'm not, like I said, I don't trade that indicator too much. I'm not a big, big sweep scalper. So what was the other one I just had up? This one, the Heiken Nashi candle. Oh no, that's the fib swing. Yeah. What is this one? This one is exactly what it says. It's fib swing. So everywhere you see a buy or sell, there's a C phase. So this would be a C phase to go long and it fails. This is a C phase to go short, and of course it fails, right? Because we're range bound. We go back into a C phase for a long and that one works. This goes into a C phase to go short and it works. This goes into a long, right? It fails. This also is an ABC phase here to go short. It wins. So when you see this and you're getting so many CC phase back to back, you're getting chopped up. So what that means is you really want to just bow out of the markets. If you're green, you're green. If you're red, you're red. Just walk away, right? So when you get the smaller C's and the candles are only 1 or 2 bars, it's great, right? So you have this ABC swing here to go long. You had one here to pull back for the short on the micro level. This is a beautiful trade. This sell didn't work. That sell wouldn't work, but this buy did, right? So this was another pullback to go long. So these are all your C phases, and that's what we're trading. So yeah, man. So yeah, so the AI that you see on my screen, it's pretty much pretty good, right? We're in a downward trend. We got mix on control. Who's in control? It's a mixture. There's 908 sellers in the market in this particular 5-minute bar or 2 5-minute bar consecutive. Momentum is fading and mixed, meaning the momentum is not long, it's not short, it's kind of mixed. You got buyers and sellers fighting over all these C phases to go long and go short. That's where the chop comes from, guys. So understanding that, hey, we're in a downtrend, but we're also, this is now going into a downtrend, but we're also in the chop on the smaller time frame. You got to understand that. Now, when you go into a 5-minute chart, let me move this down so we can just read it. If you go into a 5-minute chart here, we're neutral. Market is not developed a direction. We're inside the low and inside the high, so we are neutral. Buyers are still somewhat in control, right? Because we're pulling back, but the momentum is fading, it's mixed, and of course it says grade. What does it say? We have no trade. So wait for direction. Use your last structure. What's the last structure? You have a low and a high. You have this low and this high. So this is your last structure. This is now your bigger range on a bigger time frame. We've been holding that C phase trying to go long. And every time we try to go, they hit a C short. 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 Right? So with that, knowing that, just kind of walk away from this and, you know, wait for the next best setup. If you're going to continue to trade, which means we need to either take out this low or take out this high. We take out this low and retest it, goes short, great. Or we take out that low and the market recovers fully, that's great. Or if we take out that high and we retest it and go long, that's great. If we take out the high, you know, so in here, what we're doing is trading the micro side just so we can get our money and get out of the market and walk away green today. So that's what I was doing. I was trading the micro side instead of the macro. But once the macro thing takes place, right, once the macro move takes place, we usually get a continuation. So we're going to be chopped, range bound for a little while, and I'm going to walk away from it. So right here on the 2-minute time frame, you're holding up range cap here, range and chop. So when this gets structured buyers, or it comes in with aggressive buyers, that's a good trade. If it comes in with aggressive sellers, that would be a good trade. And this changes bar to bar, so you'll be able to see it. When the 5 and the 1 minute, 2 minute time frame, when they all match, oh, it's great. You have buyers in control or sellers in control, and it tells you who's aggressively doing it. Or you go see the word absorbed. Buyers are being absorbed. Sellers are being absorbed. So right now, I'm walking away from the markets, guys. With that being said, I will see everybody later. If you have any questions, this indicator has been sent over to Eric. He's putting the license on it, I hope today. If you want to read about the indicator, all you got to do is go into Classroom. Scroll down to here. It's right here. All the information is right here. I posted it last night. So you'll be able to read it. This AI, so what is it? TD, Trader Dan AI Reader. So I built an AI in order to read the market of what we're doing based off order flow, direction, and then it's going to grade the trade, right? Are we in an A, B, C? Are we in an A trade, a B trade, a B plus trade, or a C trade, or no trade, right? Or are we in chop? And it's basically going to tell you what's going on. So all you got to do is watch it. So, but yeah, it's kind of cool. All right, guys, I'm going to get out of here. I hope everybody has a blessed day, and I will see you guys later. YouTube, as always, if you want to join our community, you can. If you don't, that's fine too. Thank you for coming in and trading with us today. Very aggressive chop market, right? There's multiple indicators when you join that you get to use. All the indicators that we use are based off price action, momentum, and the ABC swings on fibs, on micro levels, and on order flow. So this right here, you can see TD candle sell right here. This was a sell right here with a pullback and an ABC swing. This is the candle tracker that I use that I built out. So not financial advice as always, right? Even though past profits don't guarantee future results, we still are killing it. We're still moving up. I am brightly green today. Not where I want to be, but I will take it considering the day that we are, and we're trading MNQ on 50Ks and 100K accounts. So with that being said, guys, hit that like and subscribe button. And as always, I will see you on the other side. Have a blessed day, guys.